Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of BikeMap. You will go to settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about BikeMap and you will click here in this window. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you turn off your Wi-Fi and you turn on your Wi-Fi again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.